What it do, YouTube? My name is Keanu, and here on Flavorful Footsteps, we cook with love, we never stop learning, and we're always making memories. Today, we're going to be making some firecracker crab rice. This delicious dish combines the succulent flavors of crab with a spicy kick to it. It's the perfect combination for those that love seafood and a little bit of spice. I also want to dedicate this dish to the Ohana and Maui who have suffered from the fires out there. They have lost so much, and this is the least I can do for them. Also, I want to give a special shout out and love to Homa Fire Academy. They volunteered their time, resources to the people out there, and they've done a great job. With that being said, let's get started. All right, today with the firecracker crab rice, we obviously have rice, imitation crab, Japanese mayo, furikake, which is just rice seasoning, and we have some firecracker dip from Foodland Farms. Easy recipe. If you live out here in Oahu, I would recommend trying it. Right now, I'm dicing up my imitation crab nice and fine into cubes. We're gonna transfer it over to the blue bowl here to my right, your left. We're gonna shred that up. I recommend using your favorite seasoning, just one. Don't complex this, don't make it complicated. I ended up using some Old Bay, because I'm from Maryland. That's the seasoning we typically use when doing seafood. Right now I'm just taking my hand. I wanted to flake it out with the fork, but I wasn't getting it good. I don't work with imitation crab too much, so I was like, hey, let me get my hands in there, start shredding it up by hand, and that worked a whole lot better. So just do what I'm doing here. In just a few moments, I'm gonna grab my Old Bay seasoning. There goes the Japanese mayo going in there. I honestly felt like I needed a little bit more mayo, but you get the creaminess from the firecracker pre-mix from Foodland Farms, so just keep that in mind. I'll probably go over how to make actual firecracker dip homemade in another video. Mixing up the Japanese mayo, make sure it's nice and well incorporated. Here comes the Old Bay finally. Seasoning's not coming out on one end, it's starting to pop open, so I gotta like maneuver it so it doesn't dump half the freaking seasoning in the mixture here. Incorporate that. Boom, boom, boom. Here comes the next part. That secret ingredient you see on the screen is called umami. It has crunchy garlic in it. It made it a bit more spicier. I like spice. I like my things spicy. So I added the umami, excuse me. Now we're gonna layer this bad boy up. Starting with your base layer, which is gonna be your preferred rice. I'm using white rice here. White sticky rice to be exact. Throw that in there. And you watch the magic happen. Yo. So, this is the Firecracker Crab Rice 2 days later. I forgot to film me tasting it day one. And I'll be honest, I tasted it off camera. And as it marinates in the fridge, it tastes better every single time. This is my second time having it today. It's delish. Go make you some. Super Ono.